to work out this very problem and pick the best option at the end of the solution. And it was Waec 1989, question 32. And there are so many approaches to this very problem. There are several steps we can apply to this very problem and we have the same result. But I don't know about you, you can apply your own step. For me, I will apply my own step and we are going to arrive at the same point. I have about 2 steps to apply. Okay, I will apply it now. I'm going to have the same result. We have 9 power minus 1 over 2 divide 27 power 2 over 3. Now what can we do here? For this one we have a negative fractional power. Okay, I will have to now say 1 root 9 and under I will just have a fractional power, no negative sign. And this one will now give the third root of 27, the third root of 27, the third root of 27. And I will have the square outside. I will have the square outside. Okay, now what can I do again? I will have to look for a number I can multiply 2 times to give 9. And it's simply 3. I will multiply it, and that number will be the same. Okay, I'm going to have 3. It means that for this very one, I will have 1 over 3. And 1 at the denominator. What is the number I can multiply to give 27? Okay, it means that the third root of 27 is still going to be 3. Meaning if I multiply at the same time, I will have 27. That 3 times I will have 27. Therefore, this one will become 3 squared. 3 squared. And 3 squared, don't forget, it is 9. It is simply what? 9. Now, what can we do next? What can we do next? Okay, for this one, I can say 1 over 3 divide 9. This one is 9. 3 squared is 9. Okay, this one is not a fraction. This very one is not a fraction. I will make it over 1. Okay, we have a division sign in between the 2 fractions. And we don't work with division. We need to convert to multiplication. And to do that, we simply invert this very one, we change the position of this very one, become 1 over 3 times 1 over 9. And we are going to have 1 over 27 at the end. That will be the answer at the end. That is, it will be 1 over 27. Now, let me still use another approach. Remember, I told you before that we have so many approaches. I said for me, I will use 2 steps. Now, let me now use the second step to this very one. I don't want to follow this very one. Let me use another approach. And we have 9 power minus 1 over 2 divide 27 power 2 over 3. Now, what can we do here? I need to reduce 9 to a lower base. I will have 3 squared. And remember, we have a fractional negative power outside. And remember, we still have a another one under. I will have to reduce 27 to lower base. I will have 3 power 3, and I have a fractional power outside. Now, what can we do to this? This very one here is simply power law. I will need to multiply the 2 power. And when I multiply this 2 here, will kill this very 2 here. If I also multiply this one, this 3 here will kill this 3 here. It means that what I will have left there, I will be having, I'm going to have 3 power minus 1 divide 3 squared. Divide 3 squared. Now, I will still have a negative power up. For this very one, 3 is carrying a negative power. It simply means 1 over 3. It simply means 1 over 3. Okay, divide, and 3 squared is 9. Please don't forget that. And we can as well write this very one as 1 over 3 divide 9. And remember 9, we need to make it over 1 so that it can also be a fraction. Now convert division to times. We have 1 over 3 times 1 over 9. And at the end, we're going to have 27, 1 over 27 at the end. 1 over 27. Can you see that we have the same results? I told you I will definitely use 2 steps. I'm going to obtain the same answer at the end of the solution. Now, I don't know your own approach. You can apply your own approach, you can use your own step, and we're going to arrive at the same point. Thank you for joining me on this very platform, JB Jumbo Online Mathematics. Please don't forget to also join me on YouTube, Mathematics Science Mega Tutorial. All the best.